Hello guys, welcome back to Architectural World. Sorry, we've not been taking our classes for a while now. That is because you guys have not been encouraging me. Like there's no much subscribers, there's no much like, there's no much click. It's when you guys encourage me by clicking, sharing, and subscribing. That is when I have the zeal to do more about this class. That's all I really want. I want your support on this channel because you guys mean a lot to me and I really appreciate your effort. So sorry for the delay in dropping the next topic. So today we're gonna be working on this. We're gonna be working on this because this was we were still working on previously. So today we're gonna take it up to the first floor slab. We're gonna elevate the building, then put all those designs, then probably take it to 80% of the design. So please, all you need to do is to encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Click the like button to show that you're really getting something from the channel. Just hit the like button, drop a comment, share, and that is all I want. So this is our previous class. This is where we stopped. And don't forget we're using Aki 218. I'm using Aki 218 for my design and my modeling. So this is where we stop from our previous class. So right now we're going to continue from this stage. We're going to continue from this stage. Then this the Adobe. This is the first floor. This is the first floor. In case you want to copy, you just want to snap it to get what you're working on. This is the first floor. So after having all these things, the next thing we're going to do right now is go down to our ground floor. Come down to our ground floor. We copy this. I always like copying this. We copy this off, then we uncopy this. Then we don't need this slab, so we're gonna uncopy this slab. We don't need this either, so we're gonna uncopy this. Okay, so this is what we're gonna copy. The reason why I'm copying this stuff is because I want all the elements on the ground floor to reflect on the first floor. I'm only going to work on the internal walls, so I'll come down to my first floor. I'll paste what I copied. I'll paste what I copied here. Okay, so I have to take down one because one is flying from the ground side. So let's see that on 3D. Okay, 3D, this is a 3D. Perfect. So I'll take this off. Okay, now this our elevation. This is our elevation, but we need to edit it because what is on the ground is not same as what is on the upper side. I just copied it because I want the walls to be similar and I want the windows to be placed accurately. I love my windows flying from the ground and same time to the up, because if you want to impute new windows from the upper side, you might end up having a mistake. So that is the reason why I copied this the ground floor and paste it up. So let's edit the first floor. Let's edit the first floor. First of all, there is no other floor coming in, so we have to change most of the walls to 150mm being the internal walls. So what I need to do now is move this backward because I don't need this design anymore here. I'll move this backward, then I'll expand this wall to this. Okay, then that being done, I'll come down to the spot. If you check very well from our trace, you see that there is a guideline here. There is a guideline here, and this guideline is telling us that we have to offset this wall backward. So I'll come down here, I'll move this wall backward to this. Okay, I'll press my Ctrl D, then I'll drag to fit in the spot. I expand this wall to the spot. Okay, then I'll do the same thing here. I'll just drag this to meet the margin. Okay, we'll come down here to this. Same thing here. Just follow my instruction. I'm going to take time to explain this very well. I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to take it bit by bit. Okay, now this being done, we have created the cantilever. It's called cantilever in construction. It's called cantilever. So let me show you what we just did. You can see we just created it. You can see what we just did. This is what we just did now. So this side has been done. The next thing I'm going to do right now is change most of the walls. First of all, I don't need the visitor toilet on the upper floor. I'm designing a 5-bedroom duplex. I have 2 rooms down and I want to have 3 rooms up. That's 5-bedroom duplex. Already this is a staircase wall that can be edited. So the next thing I want to do right now is change this wall to, I'll change these walls to, most of the walls will be changed from 2 to 5mm block size to 150mm. So I'm going to cut the walls that need to be changed. I'll cut down this. Okay, I'll bring this here because I'm going to change a lot of words here. So let me take this off. Okay, now this one has to be changed, this has to be changed, this has to be changed. Likewise, this. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, we can change this word because this is a staircase word. We can change this word, but we can change this, we can change this, and we can change this as well. So what I need to do right now is come down to my settings, then I'll come down to my geometry and positioning. I'll change this to 150 millimeter, press my OK. Then the next thing I want to do right now is move it to fit into the direction that I want. Yeah, so I really don't want this toilet to be increased, so I have to bring it down to the previous wall. My trace is activated. Once you activate your trace, it's going to enable you to trace what is on the ground side to come up. So always remember to turn on your trace. It's very, very important. I'll change this wall to 150 millimeter because even I'm working on a 2-story slab, I would have let it fly, but since I'm working on a single floor, I really don't need much thickness on this. So I think I'm okay with this wall, I'm okay with this wall, but I want to offset this a little bit. Okay, I'm okay here too. I'll just bring this wall here, I'll bring this door to the spot. Okay, then I'll create a wall. We're going to edit that later. Let's first solve this. Okay, I'll bring this backward because I'm okay with the room. Okay, then I'll bring this backward because I want to put the main lodge here, so I don't want it to be affected. So I'm okay with these two. I'll bring this here. So what's on ground will fly too. So I'll bring this here. Okay, I'll take this off. Okay, yes. Now this is the up floor. I want to arrange the up floor now. What I need to do right now, I want to create a library on this. First, let me bring out the master toilet on this part. This is a master toilet. Then this should be the library. So I'm taking off this door. And I'm creating a wall here. Okay, creating a wall here. I think I'm okay with this. Okay, then I'll bring this, take this off. Let me bring in a door. Go to my design tools. I'll pick a door. I'll place it on this library. This library. I'll place it here. I'll place it on this library. Okay, I don't want this lobby to be more than 900. I just want this lobby to be 900. That's 3 feet. So I'm okay with 900. So I'll bring this wall back in order for the room to have more space. So I'll bring this to fit in here. So this is just a walkway. Then I'll bring this toilet wall. I'll take this off. I'll drag this toilet wall to fit into the spot. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is put my door. I'll pick a door too. I'll place a door here. Then I'll change this door to 750 millimeter, being the toilet door. I'll place the toilet door here. Okay, depending on how you want to arrange it, I'm just trying to arrange mine the way I best want it. So I'm going to take off this door. This is just a lobby. This is a lobby. For the engineer on site to understand what you're doing, you could create a line. You could create a dash line here. To indicate that there is a wall here. Okay, so that being done, I guess this has to be changed to 150 millimeter. This has to be changed to 150 millimeter. Let's say 150 millimeter. Okay, same here to 150 millimeter. This has to go down to 150 millimeter. Just follow what I'm doing, please. In case you don't understand anything, all you just need to do is drop a comment on the comment section and I'm gonna get it treated. So I'll come down here, offset this word. I'll take this word to the spot. Okay, take it here. Okay, I'm cool with this. Always remember to save your project. It's very, very necessary. Now I have a room here. I have a library here. Then this is the toilet. I really don't need this. So I'm going to bring this wall here. I'm going to bring this wall to this spot. Okay, then I will drag this wall to the spot. Okay, so this is the toilet. I'll put my door here. I'm going to put my toilet door here. Okay, then I'm going to take this off. I'll bring in another door. I'll put in my room door here. Because I want the leftover to be closet. So this could be the closet. This is going to be the walk-in closet for. Okay, this is going to be the closet, a very large one. very large closet, so we could just move this door a bit so it doesn't hit. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom entirely, so we don't need this door because this pouch is basically for the master, so we don't need this wall. We're going to create a straight wall here. Create a straight wall here. Okay, then we get our door. We get a door here. Let's say we could decide to put it all this way. Okay, so we cut this off. So this is the master. This is the master bedroom, and this is the master toilet. Then this is the library. This is another room. Then now this is the main lodge. We'll take this off. We don't need this. We'll cut this. We'll cut this. Okay, so this is the main lodge, and the main lodge require a pouch. So the pouch, now we're going to move this wall. We really don't need a wall. What we need is a line, a guideline. So we're going to create a guideline here. Let's go to our design, come to line tools. We'll create a guideline here. Let's just keep one line here. Then the next line we need now is another line from this spot. Okay, now I'm going to show you what we need, what we're going to do. Let's take this off. Then let's drag this line to the spot. Then we split this off. Perfect. So we'll come back here. We need a wall here. Then we rotate this. Just rotate a copy of this. A copy of this. Okay, I think I'm okay with you at this. I want it a little bit close, too far. A copy of this. Perfect. So I'm going to take this off. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll take this off. So now let's see this spot on our 3D. Okay, this is what we're doing right now. This is what I'm doing. So I'll go back here. Let me go to 3D. I like doing my offset on 3D. Now you can see that I have a wall here. So now this wall has already been divided because I've splitted it. Likewise this. So I'm going to move this wall directly to 2650 bottom, so it will fly up. Then I'll change this to 550 millimeter. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Now let's see that on our 3D. You can see I just created this wall. This is the wall I just created. Now creating this wall has to have another layout. So we'll come down to the settings. We'll come down to the modeling. We choose stonework. Let's go for stonework 12. Make it all true. Perfect. So we got that now. So now the next thing we're looking for right now is a wall. We need a wall here. First, let's adjust all this. Let's drag all this to fit in this spot. First of all, let's bring this here. Let's bring this here to fit in to this angle. Then let's bring this here to fit into this angle. Then let's bring this here to fit into this angle. So having done this, we'll come down to our first floor here. Okay, we got this. We don't need a door here. We take this off. We create a guideline here. There's a guideline needed here. Then you create another guideline here. You create one here so that the engineer will know that there is a wall offsetting upward. Then what do we need now? Let's say this is the main lodge, this is the family lodge, and this is the family pouch. So we need a door here. A door of 900 millimeter. Okay, we need a door of 900 millimeter. We placed it here. So the family lodge is out of it. This is the family lodge. Now the next thing we need, this is the room 1, room 2, and this is the master bedroom. All rooms are okay here. So what do we need? You save your project, you move. This window has to go down. This window has to change. So let's see what we have on our window here. We have our window. We take down this window because this is now a toilet. So we'll go down, we'll paste in another window here. Perfect. We'll bring this down. Let's copy from this. We just copy this. I think I like to copy this. We just copy this. Okay, you rotate to copy, you move to the spot. Okay, move it here. Perfect. Then here we don't need this because it's no longer a toilet, so we take this off. Then we copy this window. we'll copy this and paste it towards this in between. Okay, perfect. We have that. So what do we need? I think all is done. We'll copy, we'll have to paste a window here because this is the staircase. A window is needed here at the upper floor. Put a window here. Okay, this is the staircase section. This is the staircase section. So you save your project. Now we have a 5-bedroom. Let's go to the ground floor. We have a 5-bedroom. This is the ground floor. This is the anteroom. Then this is the main lodge. This is the visitor toilet. This is the main lodge. This is the dining, the kitchen, the balcony, the kitchen store, the staircase region, the lobby. Then we have room 1, room 2, and all ensuite. Then we'll go down to the upper floor. Upper floor. This is the anteroom. The upper floor, this is a private anteroom for the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Then this is the family lodge. This is a family lodge. You can see it very well. This is a family lodge. A situation whereby the client said doesn't want this wall to be in this place, you could just move this to this spot. You can move this to this spot, or you could take this off entirely. You could just take the whole of this place off entirely. Then you have this pouch accessing this place. But me, I like it like this. So the master bedroom we have its own secret pouch using the one at the front. So this is the family lodge. This is room 1, this staircase, this is room 2, and this is library. This library, so it's very necessary up there. This library, and you have a 900 millimeter walkway. So this being done, let's see our 3D. Let's see what we're cooking. Okay, you can see we're having it exactly the way it is. So this is what we're cooking. You can see it very well. This is what we're doing. This is our design. This is our design perfectly. So now the next thing we're going to do right now is elevate all these columns. We need to elevate all the columns upward.